In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly buy the cryptocurrency Compound. I will show you step by step how to exchange money from your bank account into Compound. We do all this with what I think is the best platform to trade cryptocurrencies, and that is Binance. Binance is the world's largest exchange, and you can deposit fiat and trade all relevant cryptocurrencies. The fees are very low at 0.1%, and if you use the link from the video description, you will get another 10% discount on all trading fees, so you will end up with only 0.09% fees. To create an account, simply enter your details here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and log in for the first time, the page will look like this. The first step, we need to verify our account. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat money, for example euros, dollars and so on, you need to complete this verification. To do this, we click on the icon right here on the top corner and then go to identification. On this page, we now have to make sure that our personal details right here are verified like here on the right side. You should have this yellow button with verified like here below, and you just have to click on it and then simply upload a picture of yourself and your ID to complete this verification. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and is simply there to prevent money laundering. Okay, once you're done with that, now there are two options to buy cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to buy crypto is by using a credit card. If you plan to do that, you can skip the next step and fast forward to the purchase. In the second option, we first have to deposit our fiat money through a bank transfer and then make the purchase. Depending on whether you have a credit card and which option you prefer, you can decide which one to choose. To deposit fiat money into our Binance account, we go to Wallet on the top right here and then go to Fiat and Spot Wallet. Here we can see all of our balances that we have in our Binance account. Up here we can see our fiat balances, and down here we can see all of our crypto balances. To deposit money, we click on Deposit right here at the top. Then we need to make sure that fiat is selected right here, and then we can choose whichever currency we want to deposit. Depending on where you live, you can select your currency right here, and then you can select your payment method right down here. In the US, for example, this would be a transfer via the SWIFT system, and if you live in the European Union, for example, this would be a bank transfer through the SEPA system. To do this, simply enter the amount you want to deposit right here on the right, and then you hit continue. Then you'll find all the relevant information you need for the bank transfer. Very important, don't forget to enter your reference code in the bank transfer, which will be shown right here, so the transfer will be assigned to your account. Once you've made the transfer, you will have to wait 1 to 2 days for it to arrive. When the money has arrived, we can easily check this by clicking on Wallet again, and then Fiat and Spot. Then we can see if the money has been credited to our currency account right here. If this has happened, we can now buy the cryptocurrency in our last step. First, I'll show you the easiest option, which is to buy Compound by using our credit card. To do that, we simply go to Buy Crypto right here on top and then go to Credit/Debit Card. Then we'll end up on this page where we can see the price chart right here. On the right side here, we can choose the coin we want to buy. So I'm going to click on that and type in COMP and select Compound. Then I can type in and select the currency that I want to pay with. In my case, it would be euro, but you can use the US dollar or any other currency that you have. And then we can type in the amount. Let's say I want to do, for example, 500 euros. This will give me 1.27 Compound. And then I can see I can use my Visa or MasterCard, and then I just click on Buy Comp. Then I will have to enter my card details and will end up on a confirmation page. And once I've clicked on that, the purchase is done. If you want to use the second option and you have deposited money through a bank transfer to your Binance account, you simply go to Buy Crypto and then select Cash Balance. The page looks pretty similar. We can select our coin that we want to buy right here on the right side again. So I'll click on that and type in COMP again and select Compound. And then I can select the currency that I have deposited money in. For me, this would be euro. And if you select it, you can also see, okay, my cash balance that I have deposited right here is 400 euros. And then I can type in how much I want to buy again. Let's say I do 400 euro because that's my balance. That will give me 1.0 compound around that. And then I click on buy COMP. Then I get to this confirmation page where I can see again how much compound exactly I'm getting, at what price I'm buying, how much fees I have to pay. In this case, it would be only 40 cents, which is pretty low, and how much I'm investing in total. Then I click on confirm and the purchase is done. That's it for this video. Don't forget to register on Binance using the link from the video description to save the 10% on fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.